this together. Green juice there. So what I'm gonna do, all right, I have some spinach. I'm gonna put some spinach in the blender, just like this, all right? So we got spinach, ginger, and lemon, a few ingredients. And I have a large portion of fresh mint, which I'm gonna also put inside of it, all right? Yeah, large portion of fresh mint. So I'm using up a large portion of mint because I love mint, and you know, mint give you a fantastic flavor. Yeah, so I'm putting a large portion of mint inside of it. I'm gonna get a green apple. Inside of it. I'm gonna celery inside of it, 2 stalks of celery inside of it, all right? We're gonna get some ginger. That's the ginger. All right, portion of ginger. And now I'm gonna put some lemon inside of it. All right, squeeze out some lemon juice inside of it. All right, yeah. Eat Good TV, what's going on? Today's my green juice day. No meat. What is it for? Well, if you're eating bare vegetable, that means you're detoxing your body. You know? Yeah, that's what's going on right now at the moment. Yeah. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some pineapple inside of it. All right, pineapple inside of it for just a little bit of the pineapple will bring in its own flavor to it. Yeah. And I'm gonna put some of my green smoothie inside of it. I love my green smoothie. Rough about just a nice good tablespoon. Yeah. Let's get some water. All right, so we're gonna get some water. We're not gonna put any honey or sweetener. Just keep it naturally, guys. All right, we're gonna put roughly about a cup of water in it. Lovely. All right. Yeah, so we'll put a cup of water inside of it, and that's looking good so far. All right, now what we're gonna do next, we're gonna put on the lid. All right, and that's the way it look. Now we're gonna make some noise. We're just gonna blend it for a few minutes. Excellent. All right, now this is how it look. So we're gonna pour it in like this. All right, cheers, guys. That's the green smoothie, and that's for my dinner. All right, that's my dinner now. So I have my breakfast green smoothie. I eat some fruits in between, like banana. So now this is my dinner, and earlier I make apple and pomegranate seed. That was like an evening snack. All right, so yeah, that's a very good look so far. So you guys can do it. So right straight through the day, I did not like eat any like bread, pasta, cake, all of them stuff there. All I drink was straight green smoothie. All right, and that's the way it look. You guys can do the same thing at home too. All right, yeah, man.